Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to italize text on Google Docs Mobile. So, the first thing that you need to do is open the Google Docs app on your phone. And then here, open the file and click on Edit by tap on the pencil icon at the bottom. And then here you just need to block the text that you want to italicize. Block, for example, I want to italicize this, and then just click on the eye icon at the bottom, just like so. And when you want to do it again, just do the same steps, for example like this, and then click again. Okay, so that's it. That is how you can italicize text on Google Docs Mobile. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel for more contents. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.